When I don't know what to make, this pasta recipe always comes in handy. Start by adding 4 liters of water to a pot. Add in 2 tablespoons sea salt to help season the noodles. Turn the stove to high and let's move on. In a bowl, add 2 teaspoons dried basil, 2 teaspoons dried thyme, 1 tablespoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, 2 teaspoon dried oregano, 2 teaspoons sea salt, and 3 tablespoons cooking oil. Give it a mix together. Add in your chicken breast or thighs if you prefer. Marinate for 5 to 10 minutes. Now, transfer the chicken onto a lined baking tray. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes, or until internal temperature of 160 degrees. Now for the sauce. Take 4 or 5 cloves of garlic and smash them with your knife. Now, a nice medium dice. Transfer it to a bowl and set aside. Next, we need to dice 2 medium shallots. If you don't have this, you can always use white onion. Transfer it to a bowl and set aside. Lastly, some parsley for garnish. Give it a rough chop. Transfer it to a bowl. Heat a pan over medium heat. Add in 50 grams butter and melt. Next, our shallots. And the diced garlic. Sauté until they become translucent. About 1 minute or so. Pour in 1 cup tomato sauce. And for spices, 2 teaspoons dried basil, 2 teaspoons dried thyme, 2 teaspoons dried oregano, 1 tablespoon smoked paprika, give it a quick stir as our water is boiling. Time to cook the pasta. Add 2 cups rotini and cook for 8 to 12 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of our homemade pesto. If you want to know how to make it, I'll leave a link in the description down below. One cup of heavy cream. This helps thicken the sauce. Add in 100 grams shredded mozzarella cheese. Stir together until the cheese is incorporated into the sauce. Season with salt and pepper to your taste. Now, transfer the cooked pasta into the sauce and give it a mix. Spoon the pasta into a bowl. Now slice up some chicken. And place it alongside the pasta. Top it with some parsley for color. And there you have it. A creamy tomato pesto pasta with baked chicken that's done in under 30 minutes. If you're looking for more delicious recipes, here are some that YouTube thinks you might like. As always, thanks for watching. See you next time.